Our history. Suzhou Ransun Industry Company Limited is one of the most professional excavator attachments equipment manufacturers and is one of the most creative excavator front-end multifunctional attachment solution provider. Suzhou Ransun Bucket was established in 2010. In the past 10 years, Ransun has grown into a diversified, well-known supplier with advanced R&D capacity, reasonable design, effective production, and best sales service. Our service over 5 continents and more than 30 countries. Our products meet all clients' demand. We can provide the professional service to customers all over the world. Our vision, Ransun Buckets, aims to be a leading supplier of excavator and backhoe attachments throughout the world. Ransun has developed rapidly in years not only because annual investment in R&D, but also the strict quality testing in the production process and professional customer service. Ranging from materials to finish excavator attachment, we have own QC team to control each detail, and also establish a product quality inspection system to ensure high-quality excavator attachments and on-time delivery. Our mission: manufacture quality excavator attachments with a first-class technical support and innovative design. Enrich and broaden product line to follow the trend of the engineering machinery. Increase investment in R&D. Make more strong and more wearable excavator attachments. Perfect enterprise encouragement policy and training plan to build a positive and professional service team.